Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jansen with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got the privilege of showing you this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX. It's got the beautiful horizon color, black stripes. Got a gray sea deck here with their stone interior. Nice tower. Got the bimini put up right now. Blue LED accent lights. Refrigerator. Got your sink in here. Nice area for trash. If you're connected to shore power, you've got your outlets there. Great storage under here. Nice hinging. Got your bow filler cushions. Adjustable seats. Wonderful sized head. Great place to store your phones, your wallets, your keys. Got your dash cluster, Fusion audio system. It's got the snap-in sea deck. Really functional, easy to take out and clean. Your table will go right there. Got storage under all the seats, your windlass anchor system. And for any questions, feel free to give us a call, 573-606-3029. And again, my name is Jansen. Make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.